Hi, I'm Dave Parker, Master Plumber and CEO of ER Plumbing Services. Here to talk to you about hydrojetting services. Clogged drains are a common problem, so we've equipped our plumbing technicians with a number of drain cleaning tools. One of these is the Hydrojet. Hydrojetting uses highly pressurized water with forward and reverse jets to provide 360 degrees of cleaning action. This gives us the ability to provide the most effective drain cleaning available. The Hydrojet is so effective that it can even remove tree roots that have grown up inside your home sewer lines. Hydrojetting provides a solution for clogs other plumbers' tools can't remove, such as heavy grease buildup or tree roots. In addition, using only water and no chemicals, hydrojetting can remove pipe corrosion, sand, silt, scale buildup, clogs, and other materials that cling to pipe walls and build up over time. Before using the Hydrojet, we perform a video with specialized camera to determine the cause of the problems and the general pipe condition and if the pipe is damaged. The inspection can identify damage to the sewer line, such as cracked or collapsed pipe, bellied pipe, misaligned pipe, or other visible defects. In addition, the inspection provides the exact location and depth of the affected area. There is some risk to older pipes for damage during hydrojetting. This is the reason only licensed plumbers should provide hydrojetting services. Ensure the proper use and technique reduces the risk of damage to older pipes. Drain clogs are frustrating for a homeowner, but for a restaurant, hospital, school, or others providing a service, a drain clog can result in the interruption of services. When drainage slows and traditional methods, such as plunging, aren't working, delay can potentially result in a burst pipe or backup of sewage into your business or home. We can resolve your sewer line problems. To schedule service, call ER Plumbing today, 704-846-5371, or you can visit us at erplumbing.com, where you're serviced once, client for life.